You just found the 2017 Mazda Mazda3. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This Mazda 3 will capture your imagination and elevate your driving experience. Engineered to give you a balanced, quiet ride as well as exhilarating acceleration, this efficient compact offers the perfect balance of pure pleasure and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, headlights auto leveling, daytime running lights. Versatile yet refined, that's the 3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.